Bucket trucks are essential for various tasks, including servicing signs, maintaining parking lot lighting, and working on farm poles. Adhering to strict safety guidelines is paramount to prevent accidents and ensure the well-being of workers. Several organizations provide valuable resources to enhance your understanding of bucket truck safety. The Occupational Safety and Health Administration (OSHA) offers a fact sheet specifically on bucket truck safety. This resource covers general safety guidelines and potential hazards associated with operating bucket trucks. The National Institute for Occupational Safety and Health (NIOSH) has published aerial equipment standards. These standards provide comprehensive information on the design, manufacturing, and safe operation of aerial lifts, including bucket trucks. The International Brotherhood of Electrical Workers (IBEW) offers a document on bucket truck safety. This resource focuses on the specific hazards encountered by electrical workers while using bucket trucks and outlines safe work practices. The Electric Power Research Institute (EPRI) provides research and resources related to bucket truck safety. Their materials cover various aspects of safety, including equipment maintenance, operator training, and hazard assessment. OSHA also provides information on boom truck safety. While boom trucks differ slightly from bucket trucks, many safety principles overlap, making this a valuable resource. Servicing small signs presents unique safety challenges. The Federal Highway Administration (FHWA) offers safety guidelines for sign maintenance. These guidelines address hazards such as traffic, working at heights, and electrical safety. Maintaining parking lot lighting requires specific safety precautions. The International Dark Sky Association (IDA) provides information on lighting maintenance safety. This resource covers topics such as electrical safety, full protection, and working in dark environments. Working on farm poles involves specific electrical hazards. OSHA offers safety considerations for electrical work on farms. This resource addresses hazards such as contact with overhead power lines, grounding, and electrical equipment maintenance. The University of Florida provides information on electrical safety on farms. This resource covers a broad range of electrical hazards and safe work practices specific to agricultural settings. When operating a bucket truck, perform a thorough pre-operation inspection. Check all controls, safety devices, and structural components for any signs of damage or malfunction. Ensure that the outriggers are properly deployed and stabilized before raising the platform. Maintain a safe distance from overhead power lines. Follow all applicable electrical safety regulations and guidelines. Wear appropriate personal protective equipment, including a hard hat, safety glasses, and insulated gloves. Never exceed the rated capacity of the bucket truck. Ensure that the load is evenly distributed and properly secured. Be aware of your surroundings and potential hazards such as traffic, pedestrians, and obstacles. Use spotters when necessary to assist with maneuvering the bucket truck in tight spaces. Avoid operating the bucket truck in adverse weather conditions such as high wind or heavy rain. Follow the manufacturer's recommendations for maintenance and inspection. Regularly inspect all components for wear and tear and replace them as needed. Ensure that all operators are properly trained and certified. Training should cover all aspects of safe operation, including pre-operation inspections, hazard identification, and emergency procedures. Develop and implement a comprehensive safety program that includes written procedures, regular safety meetings, and ongoing training. Encourage employees to report any safety concerns or hazards immediately. Conduct regular audits of work practices to identify and correct any unsafe conditions. Investigate all accidents and incidents to determine the root cause and implement corrective actions. Promote a culture of safety where all employees are committed to preventing accidents and injuries. Regularly review and update your safety program to reflect changes in regulations, technology, and best practices. Stay informed about new safety information and resources. Attend industry conferences, read trade publications, and participate in online forums to stay up to date on the latest safety trends. Consider additional safety measures such as using insulated bucket trucks, installing proximity alarms, and implementing lockout/tagout procedures. By following these guidelines and utilizing the resources mentioned, you can significantly reduce the risk of accidents and injuries while operating bucket trucks. Remember that safety is everyone's responsibility. Work together to create a safe and healthy work environment. Regularly review and practice emergency procedures. Ensure that all employees know what to do in the event of an accident or other emergency. Keep a first aid kit readily available on the job site. Know the location of the nearest medical facility and have a plan for transporting injured workers. Communicate clearly and effectively with all members of the work crew. Use hand signals or radios to communicate instructions and warnings. Avoid distractions while operating the bucket truck. Focus your attention on the task at hand and avoid using cell phones or other electronic devices. Take regular breaks to avoid fatigue. Fatigue can impair judgment and increase the risk of accidents. Encourage employees to speak up if they are feeling tired or stressed. Properly secure all tools and equipment in the bucket. Prevent tools from falling and potentially injuring workers below. Use tool lanyards to secure tools to the bucket or the operator's harness. Never allow anyone to ride in the bucket while the bucket truck is in motion. The bucket is designed for working at heights, not for transportation. Inspect the work area for hazards such as uneven terrain, soft ground, or underground utilities. Take steps to mitigate these hazards before beginning work. Be aware of the weight of the load being lifted. Do not exceed the bucket truck's rated capacity. Use a load chart to determine the safe lifting capacity for different boom angles and extensions. Avoid sudden or jerky movements while operating the bucket truck. Smooth, controlled movements will help prevent accidents and injuries. Be careful when working near trees or other vegetation. Avoid contacting branches or other obstructions that could damage the bucket truck or cause it to become unstable. Ensure that the area around the bucket truck is clear of obstructions. Prevent pedestrians or vehicles from entering the work zone. Use barricades, cones, or warning tape to delineate the work area. Be aware of the weather conditions. Avoid operating the bucket truck in high winds, heavy rain, or lightning. These conditions can make it difficult to control the bucket truck and increase the risk of accidents. Use a spotter when operating the bucket truck in tight spaces or near obstructions. The spotter can help guide the operator and prevent collisions. Communicate with the spotter using hand signals or radios. Make sure the spotter knows the safe operating procedures for the bucket truck. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for operating the bucket truck. The manufacturer's instructions provide detailed information on the safe operation and maintenance of the bucket truck. Keep the manufacturer's instructions readily available for reference. Contact the manufacturer if you have any questions about the safe operation of the bucket truck. Attend regular safety training sessions. Safety training sessions can help you stay up to date on the latest safety procedures and best practices. Ask questions and participate actively in the training sessions. Share what you learn with your coworkers. Promote a culture of safety in your workplace. Encourage everyone to take responsibility for safety and to report any hazards they see. By following these safety tips and utilizing the resources mentioned, you can help prevent accidents and injuries while operating bucket trucks. Remember that safety is everyone's responsibility. Work together to create a safe and healthy work environment. Consider implementing a system for tracking and managing bucket truck inspections and maintenance. This can help ensure that bucket trucks are properly maintained and that any necessary repairs are made promptly. Use a checklist to ensure that all critical components are inspected. Keep records of all inspections and maintenance activities. Regularly review the inspection and maintenance records to identify any trends or patterns. Use the data to improve your maintenance program and prevent future problems. Consider using technology to improve safety. There are many technologies available that can help improve bucket truck safety, such as GPS tracking systems, collision avoidance systems, and remote monitoring systems. Evaluate the available technologies and determine which ones would be most beneficial for your operation. Invest in the appropriate technology and train your employees on how to use it effectively. Regularly evaluate your safety program and make necessary changes. Your safety program should be a living document that is constantly evolving to meet the changing needs of your operation. Regularly review your safety program to identify any areas that need improvement. Make the necessary changes and communicate them to your employees. Get feedback from your employees on the effectiveness of your safety program. Use their feedback to make further improvements. Stay up to date on the latest safety regulations and best practices. Safety regulations and best practices are constantly evolving. Stay informed about the latest changes and update your safety program accordingly. Subscribe to safety newsletters and publications. Attend safety conferences and workshops. Network with other safety professionals. Continuously strive to improve safety in your workplace. Safety is an ongoing process, not a one-time event. Continuously strive to improve safety in your workplace by implementing new safety measures, providing ongoing training, and promoting a culture of safety. By making safety a top priority, you can help prevent accidents and injuries and create a safe and healthy work environment for all employees. Remember that safety is an investment, not an expense. Investing in safety can save you money in the long run by reducing accidents, injuries, and insurance costs. More importantly, it can save lives and prevent suffering. Make safety a top priority in your workplace and reap the benefits of a safer, healthier, and more productive workforce.